REITs are good for long-term investing. Pero, do you know why? And paano ka nga ba makapag-invest sa mga REITs? Real Estate Investment Trust. Ito yung mga companies na available for investment sa Philippine Stock Exchange na kung saan ang kanilang main mode of profit is through rental or leases. The good thing about them is that they are managed by well-known mga portfolio managers from their parent companies. Like for example, AREIT. This is managed by their parent company, Ayala Land Inc. Megaworld, meron din. Si MREIT naman ito. RCR ng Robinsons Land. Now, these companies are good for long-term investing simply because they give out dividends. And for most, if not all of them, they are giving out dividends every quarter. If you want to invest in these companies, then you need to open a stockbroker account. Simply because these are also stocks katulad ng Jollibee, ng SM, ng Ayala at iba pa. So let's say bibili tayo ng AREIT ng Ayala Land Inc. So simply go to your stockbroker, eto kay Dragonfly, click that invest button sa baba, search AREIT, then buy. 44 pesos ang share price ni AREIT and bibili ako ng 300 shares. Ito yung total and then hit next and confirm. And that's it. Once ma-execute, papasok na yung aking AREIT at 300 shares. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, anong stock nga ba ang magandang bilhin natin next time?